Hello, in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to calculate variance. So here's our sample of x values, and here's our formula. So the first thing we're going to do is find the mean of these numbers. So we're going to do 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3. So I'll go ahead and plug that into my calculator. $25. And to find the mean, we divide the sum of all the numbers by how many numbers there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x values. I'm going to put 5 on the bottom. So the mean is 25 divided by 5, which is 5. So mean equals 5. Next, we are going to subtract 5 from each of these numbers. So I'm going to make a little table here. So we've got our x values, then we're going to do x minus x bar. So we've got 6, 3, 8, 5, 3. So to get this value over here, we're going to do 6 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 5 minus 5, and 3 minus 5. So that's 1, negative 2, 3, 0, and negative 2. So now we've fulfilled this part of the formula. Next, we're going to fulfill this part here and square each of these values. So that's the x minus x bar squared. Again, this x bar just means the mean. So we're going to do 1 squared, negative 2 squared, 3 squared, 0 squared, and negative 2 squared, which equals 1, 4, 9, 0, 4. Now we have to fulfill this part, sigma, which means to add them all up. So we're going to add each of these values together, which I'll just plug that into my calculator again. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 equal, oops, I pressed something. Let me do that again. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 equals 18. So I'm just going to go ahead and write 18 here. And that fulfills our entire numerator. So now all we have to do is fulfill the denominator of our formula. N is the number of x values in our sample. So for this, n equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To fulfill the formula, we have to do n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1. And that equals 4. So now we're going to do 18 divided by 4, which is 4.5. And that is our answer. So let's go ahead and write that out here. X minus x bar squared over n minus 1. Again, the first thing that we did is we found the mean, which is x bar. We subtracted x bar from every single one of our provided x values. We squared each one of the provided x values minus the mean. So we did, for this one, we did 6 minus 5 equals 1, which then we did 1 squared. Once we got all of those values, the squared values, we added them all together, and then we divided it by the number of x values in our sample minus 1. And we ended up with 4.5. So I hope that this is helpful for learning how to calculate variance.